Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Telegram wallet. Stick around until the end to learn all the steps and tips to set up your wallet and start managing your digital assets securely. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device, and once you're in, head to the search bar at the top of the screen and type in wallet. You should see the official Telegram wallet bot appear in the search results. Click on it, and once the wallet bot is open, type start and then send it. The bot will then send you an image and a message introducing the Telegram wallet, mentioning that it is designed to make buying and sending cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Toncoin, and USDT easy and free from within Telegram. Now, to begin creating your wallet, click on this Open Wallet button in the message, and a pop up will appear. Next, you will be shown several options at the bottom of the screen, such as Gallery, Wallet, File, and Location. Ensure that Wallet is selected. Now, once the wallet is open, click on the gear icon located in the top left corner of your screen. And once you're in the settings menu, you will find an option called Show Turn Space Beta. Toggle this option on, and then you will land on screen like this. Here you can see we have two options. The first is Start Exploring. This option is to begin using the turn space, and the other is to add your existing wallet. If you already have one, then you can use this option. Otherwise, click on Start Exploring. On the next page, you will be prompted to add your recovery email. So enter your email address and click on Continue. This is crucial step for recovering your wallet if needed. And after you have successfully added your email, a pop-up will confirm that your wallet has been backed up. For added security, again click on this gear icon, and in the settings menu, click on passcode option and then click on setup. Then choose enable passcode. A 24-digit passcode will be generated. Copy it and store it safely, as you will need it to recover your wallet in the future. To unlock additional features and enhance your wallet security, you can verify your identification level. For this, click on Identification Level in the Settings menu. And to proceed with the verification, click on Get This Level and then follow on screen instructions. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.